Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video, but before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys please make sure to subscribe our channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself, so please make sure to join our Telegram channel as well so that you can stay updated for all the upcoming opportunities. So let's start with our first opportunity, that is from EPAM. So as you can see, EPAM India is hiring for 2022 batch. This is the hiring registration form for 2022 engineering graduates. The registration form is created by EPAM India. Please read the below important details carefully before registering. The students meeting up criteria are eligible to re-attempt the test except the ones who did not clear TR and HR round in last 6 months of hiring phase. So eligibility criteria is 2022 graduates only. Education qualification needed is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, engineering graduates from CSE, EC, IT, other computer science engineering stream only with minimum of 60% across with strong knowledge on data structure and algorithms. Job location will be Hyderabad or Pune or Bangalore or any of the EPAM India offices. Now training location will be Hyderabad. Coming to the hiring process, so 2 rounds of online coding assessment which will be followed by virtual group discussion, video technical and HR interview. More details will be shared in further emails. Now job title is junior software engineer. So the CTC they are going to offer is 6 lakhs per annum plus standard benefits. Now if you got selected and offered, you will be assigned to one of the below technical practice as you can see. So testing, cloud and DevOps, Salesforce, front-end technology like is JavaScript, Angular, React, Node.js or Big Data. So another point that they have mentioned is online test assessment dates that will be round 1 from Friday 17th of December 2021 and round 2 that will be on Monday 20th of December 2021, right? So here you can see trainings will be conducted for offered candidates for first 3 months at Hyderabad office in case office is reopened and lockdown is lifted due to COVID-19. Else online training will be over Microsoft Teams. Further details will be shared with eligible students. All eligible candidates will receive online coding assessment link on their registered email ID. Candidates who clear first round will receive second round online coding assessment and both assessment will be on core Java, that is related to OOPS, data structure and algorithm, dynamic programming. Selected and offered students are expected to join EPAM on 17th of Jan 2022 or 16th of Feb 2022, mandatory as intern. So first of all, there will be internship that is going to offer to you, and the stipend during internship is going to be 15,000 per month. Salary will be revised to 6 lakhs per annum after converting into full-time role, right? So EPAM will give semester exam break and expects NOC from respective college on your internship. So EPAM will map you into one of the practices based on the business demand. Last date of registration is 14th of December. So make sure to do the registration before the deadline. So here this is the form where they have just asked you to fill the simple details, like, so just go through them, fill the details. Here you can choose your preferred technology as well that you want to work on at EPAM, right? So fill out all these details. It is an amazing opportunity for 2022 batch. Now let's proceed to our next opportunity. Here's our next opportunity from Bajus. Bajus is hiring for the role of software engineer trainee, right? Job location is going to be Bangalore. So if you're interested, simply click on apply now. About us, so here's a quick introduction given regarding the company. Coming to the job description, so at Bajus we are looking to bring passionate engineering into the role of software engineers who are keen on building their career in developing solutions that will transform the way people learn from early years to professional skill. You will get to work on complex distributed systems which are solving real world problems and scale for hundreds of millions of users. You need to take the challenges and ownership that comes while developing a complex system. You will be working in a fast-paced and agile work environment, delivering quality and innovative solutions in a highly collaborative environment that have immediate business impact. So preferred skills are good understanding of software engineering practices, data structure and algorithm, solid programming skill in ROR, Node.js, Python, Golang or Java Kotlin, good programming skills in JavaScript, understanding of web markup including HTML5, CSS3, good understanding of React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, Any experience or interest in reactive programming, asynchronous programming, and unit testing can also be an added advantage. Now here some general attributes are given, that a collaborator and a team player, strong sense of ownership and accountability, organizes and expresses ideas clearly and concisely, exhibit strong problem solving skill, passionate about learning and education. Job location is going to be Bangalore, virtual for now, and compensation here you can see. So they have mentioned each and everything in detail. Minimum qualifying criteria is that you need 10th and 12th marks 60% and above. BE BTech CGPA should be minimum 7 and above, thought without any running backlog. This opportunity is 20 as well as 21 batch. So branches CSE, IT, EE, ENC, these branches are eligible. Understanding of programming logic and hands-on coding is essential. Share GitHub link on application resume as well. That will help you to get shortlisted. Selected candidates shall be taken as software engineer trainee tech on probation for 3 months and confirmed as software engineer tech post successful completion of probation training. The role is for working in the software engineering division. Okay, so here is the process of evaluation. First of all, shortlisting, then coding test, then round 1, then round 2. Right, so we'll be proceeding further. So this was our opportunity from Badges. If you are interested in this opportunity, make sure to apply for the same. Here's our next opportunity, that is from KPIT. KPIT is hiring for 2021 batch. This is a form provided. They are hiring from trainee engineer. So if you are interested in this opportunity, make sure to fill this form and apply for the same. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe our channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. Also guys, please share this video among your friends as well so that even they can know about these opportunities. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.